Alright, fellers, we're gonna do a ride along. Okay, I guess people will be coming through here real quick.
I think you're good on the right. Listen to all that crap.
I know. Yeah, I guess I was just going like this fast, but now I'm speeding up though. There's a lot of gravel.
Mm-hmm. Definitely enjoy the other way a lot better.
Yeah.
That guy looks suspicious for a second.
Yeah, all these, well, they're not cops, they're F-150s with the orange lights got me acting goofy. It's becoming like less slippery, which is kind of nice. That's some understeer though.
A little bit there.
Hey,
yo, hey, yo.
You got 2 lanes and you're still in our lane.
It's a shame that the turn is covered in shade.
That's what I'm saying. For like this section up here, like I feel like it's low-key a 3rd gear section, but like unless I go faster, I don't have enough revs. And
you mean in 2nd or 3rd?
In 2nd. Or wait, I guess sort of both. It's like I kind of hit the red line in 2nd, and then in 3rd,
whoa,
like I don't have enough power because too low RPM. And I also don't feel like going faster.
You need all the horsepower you can get.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Easy. Where were the other roads we used to hit?
Around
Just
here?
further down this road.
I feel like we would take back roads. Yeah, actually, I don't know. I thought they were all around here somewhere, but it was maybe closer to the knob. I'm not sure though, because we didn't go too much past this, or did we?
I can't remember.
I also don't remember.
I'm thinking about that one loop that I did in the WRX, and then like a cop was chasing you, allegedly.
Was that the 33 loop?
I feel like that was like a back road or something.
Yeah, I'm not really sure. But it connects to this road though, right? Okay.
Not ideal.
There was a car going that way, but I feel like we'll be fine.
Probably. Hella slow. That was weird. Ah, yes, the uphill confidence.
I know. Yeah, like I wish I could see all the way around it.
jiggling.
You do be jiggling. Oh, I see someone. If you see something, say something.
This is the turn, guys.
Low key. The 2-lane makes it so much easier. See what I'm saying? I'm like running out of second gear.
It's like a mixture of tire smoke for sure.
I'm just a normal guy.
Yeah, this spot's gone too now.
Oh yeah, I forgot that's like not supposed to be covered in ice. Oh, 18-wheeler.
Yeah.
It's times like this where the car starts heating up a little bit.
Yeah, 225.
Yeah, but that's understandable though. I'm like bouncing it off the rev limiter. It's getting hot in here too. It's like literally steamy, no homo.
We got the... Whoa. Slippery. Slipping.
I'm gonna go down and up.
Maybe we should turn the air on.
A little circulation never hurt.
Oh, these are the good roads.
Low key.
These guys. It's like a frozen lake over there.
Oh, we are?
Yeah. Maybe slow down straight away.
Yeah. I'm gonna just like cycle the air real quick so we can get some cold in here. Okay, a little battery swap never hurt.
Definitely didn't just stop in the middle of the road though.
Hey, Bert.
Hey.
Yeah, it's better with the seats down. Yeah, we vibing out here.
I agree.
Definitely getting hot in here though.
Yeah, I'm a ventilate RQ.
Okay.
Ah, that feels nice.
Yeah, it does feel nice.